What's up? Mr. Waste 510 back at it again, and today we're going to be making some frames. Whoa! And the sizes that we're going to be using today is we're going to be using these 2x4s, and they're about 8 feet. That's longer than my forehead.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
We're going to be turning these 8-footers into 7x5s, and we're going to build a pretty big tufting frame. At least that's the general idea. I just watched the video that I watched last night, and I realized that I'm missing a few lots of pieces. But Kayla has the car today, and we're going to do what we can. Yeah, so let's get marking.
1 hour later.
Here's the freaking help coming 3 days late. The help coming 3 days late. About done with the tufting frame by the time the help got here. I said about done with the tufting frame by the time the help got here.
I see what happened was Pops had the car. Yeah, you know.
I'm blaming it on Pops.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just got done measuring out all the whatchamacallit, the wood and shit.
Yeah.
So yeah, the fact that Pops got the circular saw, so we might, but we have this jigsaw, so it might be able to do something.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. But yeah. Yep. Okay, you ready to cut some wood?
Nah, not quite.
Alright guys, now we're back with some freaking help. Mr. Tallboy over here.
Yeah, you know it.
So we're gonna put our safety glasses on, because safety first.
Yeah, and you too.
Yeah, and you too.
Yep.
Alright, so let's see if this jigsaw saw can saw. Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, my leg.
My leg!
You got stuff already?
Got stuff. Almost. Getting stuck, y'all. Hopefully it's even. Right? If not, we might have a bad. Yeah, now we have 1 7-footer down. Let's see what we do. The purpose of having help, you don't even gotta stretch your whole body all the time. Okay, this is another 7-footer. Go ahead. I ain't Pops, I don't like tussling 6-footers or anything.
Right.
Yeah.
No, it's key word.
Yeah, man. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I need a wood saw. Oh yeah, that's some shit. Check it to the edge over there. That's at 5 feet, right? Yeah. Okay, so turn this to 5 foot. 5 foot 7 inch. Hopefully we can chop this wood a little bit more evenly. Alright. So this makes this 5 feet. I'm not sure. Start on the middle. This one comes out uneven or blaming the help.
No.
He said, no. Alright. 5 feet, 7, 7. Yep. Alright. You almost messed up. Measure twice, cut once. So now we're just gonna move this all inside and get an overhead view and see how to hammer it in. We're using screws, but forgot to pick up the screws, so we got nails. Yeah. I mean, I have some screws, but they're not the right size screws. They're too freaking small, and you're gonna have a bad time. Yeah, these are like what? Freaking 1/5 size. Not even enough to go through 2 feet wood. Whoa. But yeah, we're gonna move inside and get hammering.
Sitting here just acting like I don't. Come up, not a fool. Yeah. Yeah, I know, but I'm sitting here just acting like I don't. Cause the smarter play the dumbest is my favorite role. Got a light one in the dark one like a centerfold. She got no kids and no nigga hit the pot of gold. Let's see where this go. Say she focus on her business and her feelings though. Why you never with your girl, different schedule woes? I just giving her more reason just to hit the bro. Fall through, don't call me, baby, I'ma call you.
Alright guys, finally finished with the frame. Stand it up and see what it's do. Pretty big frame. Pretty big old frame. So the idea is to put these on some horses, so it's gonna give it a extra height rise. So I might need to go get me a ladder, or I have step ladders. Yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna get some L clamps. Go ahead and put the L clamps on here to make it nice and secure when we're tufting. So just so that way the wood doesn't flip and break on us. But other than that, we have made our fucking board. Go ahead and put the tack strips on just to see how much we're actually gonna need, or if we need to cut those as well. Carpet tack strips, you guys see, straight from Home Depot, about $1.25 per stack. When you get it for a 3-pack, that's about $6 a pack. So yeah, our idea is to have them all uniform, all up. So, looks like we might need to go ahead and cut a little bit off here. About 1.5 inches. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and hammer on the majority of these tack strips. Cut the other ones as we need fit. And yeah, get it started. But real quick, little overhead of how the tack strips go. You always want to have the tack strips all facing in the same direction, which is facing up. So your tack strips are facing down, then your cloth might just slip off. But if you have them facing up, cause for tension on both sides. So just hammer your tack strips in. The tack strips that come with the nails put in there are godsends. I have some that you have to actually just have like an adhesive, but I feel like that would pull off over time. But
what color is it?
Lose it all in 1 second, ain't the plan today. Mama knows she raising man, I'm flexing bands today. Never knock a nigga crown to make mine straight. Y'all ain't never had my back and make sure mine straight. Good cookie in my pack, get my mind straight. The one that claiming they the realest be beyond fake. I swear nobody love a nigga like none to love me. Only few people in the world I pull up and start busting. For no reason, ain't no question, ain't no fucking discussion. Crackers on the line of scrimmage, feel like fuckery rushing. I swear if you don't feel me, you probably be one of them. And they make you hate yourself, you try to be one of them. Looking in my baby eyes, I see no struggle. Hey, don't fuck with me, I'll fuck your sister off of my.
alright guys. Whoa, almost fucking failed. But alright guys. Basically done with the insides of the tufting frame. Don't know how good you guys were able to see it. Don't have a cameraman today. But yeah. Got the L brackets in. I don't feel like this thing is going anywhere now. It's not as wobbly. It's still wobbly, but it's a little bit more secure. Whoa. Still really excited to try out this big old frame. And yeah. Tune in tomorrow when I put the foots in. When I put the footy hoodies in. When I put the footy hoodies.
What color is it?
You know it's real if they wanna see you doing good. You know it's real if it hurts to see you doing bad. Coming through and burning when you on your last. Never see you stress about no shit that you ain't even have. Searching for advice and you ain't even ask. When you hop up in they whip and they don't act the gas. That's real niggas. That's real niggas right there. Oh, the guts to really show me how to stretch a bag. Before the woods, white grapes, white owls.